Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue the topic of the last video. In the last video, we saw what is parasitism and what are the types of parasites, and we completed nearly three types of parasites. And in today's video, I'm going to continue that. Yesterday we completed two types of parasites, that is endo and ecto. And in today's video, we are going to the third one, which is a hyperparasite. Hyperparasite. Hyperparasite is a parasite which leaves its hyperparasite is a parasite which leaves its life on another parasite. Means we'll take three organisms, which is A, B, and C. Here A is dependent on B and B is dependent on C for their living. So here A is getting benefited and B is getting harmed. Okay, in these two relationship, A is getting benefited and B is getting harmed. When you see these two relationship, B is getting benefited and C is getting harmed. So this type of relationship okay, this type of relationship is called hyperparasitism. Simply you can tell that A is a parasite on B, whereas B is also a parasite. So here A is getting benefited and C is getting harmed, and middle that B, this B is not getting harmed or benefited, because the benefit of B is taken by A, and so minus and plus they are managed. So by using this A, B, C, we'll take one example. Example A. A means in this case A. In this case A you can take it. In this case A you can take it as Mosema notabilis. What is it? It's Mosema notabilis. It's notabilis. Okay, and then you go to B, you'll get it as Spirospora polymorpha. Spirospora polymorpha. Spirospora polymorpha. And you go to C, you'll get C is a toadfish. You go to C, you get a toadfish. So here this B is minus implies, and this is yes. So this Mosema notabilis lives on a parasite called Spirospora polymorpha, and this Spirospora polymorpha is a parasite which lives on a toadfish. Okay, so these three are interdependent. This is about hyperparasite. And going to the next type of parasite, that is monogenetic parasite. So let me erase the board for your clarity. Monogenetic parasite. See, you know this mono meaning means it's one. Mono means one. So you simply can tell that this parasite completes its life cycle on a single host. So these parasites, to complete their life cycle, only one host is sufficient. You go to examples, you'll get Entamoeba histolytica. and this lives on Entamoeba histolytica lives on humans. And you go to the second example, it's Ascaris, the same one, Lumbricoides. This Lumbricoides is a three-kinded parasite. It's Cenozoic, Enterozoic, and monogenetic. This also lives in humans. Okay. With this we ended monogenetic parasite, and next one is going to be digenetic parasite. So first of all, what is digenetic parasite? So this digenetic parasite requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. Okay, so you go to example. So before going to examples, you got the difference. This requires only one kind of host and this requires two kinds of host. Mono means one, di means two. Sorry. Okay, then we go. Examples is Plasmodium vivax. Examples is Plasmodium we can take. Yes, Plasmodium vivax. This lives on humans. And you can go Taenia solium. And Taenia solium. Okay. Another one is Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti. So these are the types of parasites. With this we complete the types of parasites. Now we'll go into what are the types of hosts. We'll go and discuss what are the types of hosts. Okay, so in this host also, depending upon life cycle, you have two hosts. Life cycle. First one is primary and second one is secondary. Okay, first one is primary and the second one is secondary. So you go to the primary one. The primary one is a host in which the parasite is primary. In which the parasite will complete its sexual life cycle. Sexual life cycle completed. So here sexual life cycle completed, and you go to the second one, secondary parasite. Here a sexual life cycle is completed. Okay, so this is the difference between secondary and primary. And here you can take example as female Anopheles mosquito. This is for Plasmodium. And next here you can take example as human. Human is also for Plasmodium. So this is about division of hosts on based of life cycle. Then you go to the next type of host, that is paratenic host. That is paratenic host. That is paratenic host. In this, development of parasite does not take place, but it helps to transport the host. Transport the parasite. Use it to transport but not development. This is used to transport but not development. Okay. And examples you can take, first one as cockroach for entamoeba, and then you can take as housefly for the same entamoeba. So this is about paratenic host. Okay. So till here, I think you guys understood clearly. So we'll discuss about reservoir host and we'll complete the topic with today. So let me write about reservoir host. What is reservoir host? Simply, you can understand by reservoir. So reservoir means whenever the main thing is not there, it will help us, right? So here is the same. Whenever the main host is not there, then the parasite uses the reservoir host to live. So other than main host. Okay. Examples you can take as monkey. We can take as monkey. So monkey for plasmodium. Monkey for plasmodium. So whenever a human or female Anopheles mosquito is absent, plasmodium will move on to a monkey. Okay. So this is a reservoir host, and then these plasmodium's hosts are female Anopheles mosquito and human. So these are the two hosts for plasmodium, and this is the third one, which is a reservoir host. So with this I end today's topic and in the coming video we'll continue the types of host we'll continue the types of host, and we'll go into the next topic, which is called parasitic adaptation. So what does the parasites do to protect themselves, and what are their habits? So I think you guys understood the topic. Thank you.